PANASONIC Eluga A4, and let me show you how to enter here the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power, choose power off, and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as the boot mode pops up. So here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. Let's choose here fast boot, the second option, and as you can see the device is in fast boot mode, so now you can use it. For example, you can connect your smartphone to a PC and start using as the fast boot device. And if you would like to quit the fast boot, let's press power key for a long time, keep holding power button. Now release power, the device is restarting and rebooting, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.